Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a plan with me because it is October and your girl doesn't want to miss a damn spread in October. So last week I was really waiting on to do a full plan with me from the 23rd to the 29th, and then the 29th rolled around and I was like, you know what, I don't care, it's too late now. I'm not in the mood. I don't have space for that certain video on my list of videos to upload and edit. So I was just like, you know what, they're just gonna get a monthly spread plan with me using my Scribble Prince Co. Halloween themed kit. As you guys know, October is my favorite month to not only plan, but you know, all the seasonal stuff starts happening. Everything that has to do with holidays starts happening, and I just get so excited and I can't control myself. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just gonna plan all of October out, and hopefully I do this right. Now I kind of went over a little bit, but whatever, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out in the next one. We can just keep going. But oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, you guys don't even understand how happy I am to be planning all of October. I don't think I want to miss not a single spread. And just as an FYI, they will probably be all Halloween themed kits, just for future references, just because that's who I am as a person, and yeah, can't control me like that. Okay, anywho, the first thing I want to mark is the Joker comes out tomorrow on the 3rd. We are on the 2nd already. We're already 2 days in, and I haven't closed my September budget. I haven't even done my last September paycheck, but I already have my October budget up, so it's a whole lot of everything. But anywho, the Joker movie comes out this day, and I totally want to see it. I might see it tomorrow. I'm not sure. It just depends how my boyfriend's schedule is, because I'm usually out of work by what do you call it, 2 o'clock. Then it's my dad's birthday on the 16th, so he also gets like a movie marquee because he is the star of the show. That's my man right there. That's my pop right there. He's gonna get everything, well, anything within my budget. Anywho, so that is that. Then I have a little baby birthday party here. It is my boyfriend's niece's birthday, so we're gonna go ahead and put that there. And then let me go ahead and put like a little, do I have any birthday little, I don't have it. I do have balloons, but I don't think I have like any balloons that I want to use right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this little Oogie Boogie little cutie pie right there. Look at that, that's so cute. I'm gonna put it right there, and it looks like a little baby, so I'm gonna let it be right there. Okay, now I do have a whole lot of acupuncture sessions. I have one here, I have therapy today. Let's just start marking these things down. So I have acupuncture tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this. I still haven't had any doctor appointment stickers that I could find, so I'm just gonna let it be. I'm gonna go ahead and put a pink one here. Do I want to put a pink one? Let's do a green. I had physical therapy today. We're trying to figure out my hand and the strength, because apparently I lost strength and mobility in my hand, this one right here. I be telling them my hand hurts and they don't listen to me. Anywho, I know I have a couple appointments here, and here, but I'm going to fill those in as the year or the week goes. Here is going to be pre-sale tickets for Taylor Swift. So I'm going to go ahead and just see if I can get any tickets there. I know I got like an email update saying like, oh, you know, the time or whenever you chose might not be available. You might not be able to get like, you know, your tickets or something like that. And I was like, okay, I guess. But that, I'm not changing it. They're like, you should change your dates. And I'm like, nope, that's the day I want to go. Because I want to go July 25th, I believe. And They're like, change it to the 26th. I'm like, hell no, I'm not changing anything. I'm like, if I can't go on the 25th, then I can't go, because I can't go to a concert on a Sunday when I work and I have to be up by 4 a.m. on a Monday. Like, you got me messed up. Anywho, that's that. And then here on the 26th, I want to go and see Anastasia at the Pantages Theater. I know a lot of people were saying, why is $20 for parking? As well, if you don't know LA and you don't know Hollywood, everything's expensive. So I do want to see that. So I don't know, I want to use all of my Halloween stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this one and mark it as Anastasia. I don't care, it's cute. It is Halloween here, so I'm gonna put a little black box. I don't think I have this day off. I don't think I requested it off. One of my coworkers did. I'm not sure if I'll be back in swing shift or morning shift, but if I'm in morning shift, it really doesn't matter, because then what do you call it, I'll have the night off regardless. I mean, I would just have to like deal with having to wake up super early on Friday if, you know, I party too hard, but I doubt it. But anywho, okay, the 30-day movie thing started already, huh? Like, I know I'm on day 2 of movies I missed. So I know this was Hocus Pocus. I believe it started off, and then today is a different movie. So I'm gonna see if I can binge watch everything. But I want to do a little header over here. Do I have any headers? I have a whole like this sheet. I don't even know what to do with it. Like, I think these are to cover the days. Is that what it is? Okay. Anyway, let me do. Ooh, I don't know if I could do the sidebar anymore because I did put my little munchkin there. Let's see. So I'm gonna put him up here. Maybe he'll be my Lord. I'm like the worst. Oh, I hate glossy stickers too. I don't like them, but I do it for Scribble Prints Co. Like, that's the only homies that I will do. What do you call it? Glossy stickers. Otherwise, I mean, unless I really like you as a person, I will support your shop if you have glossy stickers. But if you other than that, the answer is no. But oh my god, look at it, it's so cute. Let me do one over here. Like, oh my god, anyone else excited for October? Like, I can't with my life right now. Oh, why did I skip to black? I just went straight to black, you guys. It's alright. I went black. But anywho, oh, you know what it is? I know, Cami, is it your birthday this month? Let me know when exactly is your birthday. I want to send you something, because you a babe, and without you, I feel like you're like my YouTube friend that I've made, because, you know, I feel like we're friends. We're internet friends. I can't wait to meet you one day in person. Shit, I'll fly out to you for all I care. Of course, when I'm debt free, but still. I love having internet friends. I love it. Okay, I don't think this box is gonna fully make it down here, will it? Let me see. I don't know. Well, we can use some washi if anything. Let's use some of this random washi. Oh, there's this purple washi here. Sorry if you guys are a little zoomed out, but if I zoom you guys in, I forget, and then you stay zoomed in one little area, and you know what? Just see the whole spread instead, you know? You know? Anywho. Yes, Cami, I'll say text me, but you don't even have my number. Girl, I need to give you my number. And yeah, I want to know when your birthday is. I want to send you something nice. I mean, I still can, because I know your address and your apartment and just everything in general. And your email address, and I can like send you virtual stuff if I wanted to, but I want to get it to you on the day that it is. But anyway, you know what, we're just gonna leave that alone. Okay, let me put boxes on the days that is not October. Hopefully these are big enough. I'm not liking how it looks. No. Oh, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. You know what? I don't mind having these open. I really don't mind. Like, I don't need all of this. So let me look at some deco and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry. there's a bunch of airplanes now, like in my part of the city, which I didn't realize that there were so many back to back until like you actually start filming and you start noticing all this background noise. I know it's weird, but anyhow, I have all of these stickers, like of course my Oogie Boogies, you know what, and I have these little like cute little things. Oh my god, I can't, like I want to use all of them. Now I know I want to put this one for Hocus Pocus because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna watch it, and I'm just gonna have like, I wish I had bought like one of those advent calendars that tell you, you know, when the thing actually happens and stuff like that. But no. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and put it right here. And I'm just going to put like Hocus Pocus, you know, here. And put like, you know, that's what's happening. And then let me see. Let's put like a little, I'm going to put them on all of them. I'm gonna keep myself accountable to watch all these movies because I'm usually not a movie junkie, but if it has to be like Halloween theme, I will do it. I don't care. And then here I'm not gonna watch another movie that is not the Joker. So I thought I had my Sharpie on me, but I don't. But let me see if my Arteza pen works on here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the Joker. Oh, and you guys, if you want anything Arteza, you do get 10% off with my coupon code Erika Lifevlogs 2. So if you're interested, go ahead and use it because it will end on the 15th of October. So if you're interested in Arteza products, go ahead and get you some. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put little spooky stuff. This day I might not even be able to watch anything. I actually worked this day. I totally forgot. I have overtime. Ooh, I have a baby. Not a baby. I don't have a baby, but I do have a baby party here. Oh, and you know what? It's her birthday this day. So I'm gonna use this little, well, since I'm parking it there, it should be fine. But anywho, let me see if I have enough stickers to cover. Yeah, let's see if I have enough stickers. I'm pretty sure I might regret it when I don't have for like my weekly spreads, but it's okay. It's okay. Once more with love, little like little ghosties and stuff like that. This is super cute. I'm gonna put it up here, right there. That's fine with me. Look how cute all these little munchkins are. Like, you guys, I'm so excited for the holiday season. Oh, and I know a lot of you guys wanted to see, a couple of you have requested to see my Christmas budget. I got you, honey. I got you. I'll show you my Christmas budget. It just includes immediate family, for those of you wondering, but even immediate family can be a little expensive. Usually, okay, because my ass has been like broke for the past 2 years. If you've been following me along, you know I've been broke. So my family usually does like secret Santa Claus, something like that. Or yeah, and we have a limit of what do you call it? Of $50, I believe. So and then it's just optional. You know, you can get it's optional to get everyone gifts. You know, if you're like balling like that, like my older sister, like fine, show off, I don't care. But I usually make it a point to get like my Secret Santa, my grandma, and the kids. This year, because your girl is kind of, you know, her cash is opening up a bit, I might be able to get almost, no, it's stuck down. Lord, come on, it's so hard with nails to do all of this stuff. Oh no, that's what I hate about glossy. The ink will pop up. This year I'm gonna see if I can get everyone gifts, and I do have a budget. My budget is $700, I believe. Is it $700? I think it's $700, you guys. And I'm excited. I want to see what I can conjure up, because I want to get everything done for what do you call it? What's the name? Black Friday. I want to make sure that I do all my shopping for Black Friday, and that because for me that's like the cheapest deals, like, you know, that's, you pay half of everything basically, so I'm excited for that. Okay, there we go. I filled it up with all the characters. I didn't even use hers, I'm so silly. But anywho, this is how my October spread is going. The most important dates are the 14th because I want some pre-sale tickets for Taylor Swift and my Anastasia musical. I'm also, my co-worker is a Disney fan as well, so she's like bugging me to like, girl, get your pass, we can go to Disneyland. But I'm just like, I gotta pay cash, and she's like, just do a payment plan. And I'm like, no, I'm staying strong. So I might just go to Disneyland on October. I might. I just want to make room for it because I really like the spooky season. But we'll see. Let's see how much of a bad influence she is to see if I cave in. Y'all know either way. You will know. But anywho, that is it. And then I'm just gonna put some payday stickers. Just why not? Let me put a payday sticker here. And then let me put one on the 25th. And on the 21st, because, you know, I'm a YouTuber. I get paid on the 21st. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And stay tuned for more spooky spreads. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!